Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sí, el video del día de hoy va a ser en inglés. So as you can already tell, this video is going to be in English. This challenge was going around YouTube a while back and I know I'm super late to the game, but I don't know, I guess I really wanted to do it. I thought it was a great idea to practice my English. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really nervous right now, like I'm sweating and everything. Even in Spanish, I stutter a lot and you can't really see it because I edit all those parts out. But with this one, I already know it's gonna be a pain to edit. Anyway, please don't be too harsh on me. So in today's video, since it's already challenging enough because of the language, I don't really feel like doing anything crazy with my makeup. And I thought this is like a perfect opportunity to do like a back to school no makeup. As some of you know, I'm currently doing my master's degree. My second semester starts next week, which means that I'm gonna have less free time. So I need a very quick makeup routine, something that makes me look and feel better, but something that doesn't take longer than 10 to 15 minutes. So that's basically what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna start this video. As always, remember to give it a thumbs up if you like it. I would really appreciate it. And you can also subscribe down below if you haven't already, hitting that notification bell so that YouTube reminds you every time that I upload a new video. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my brows. I always like starting with my brows no matter what look I'm doing. Today's makeup is gonna be very natural, so I don't want like a super defined brow. I'm gonna start with this tinted brow gel from Colourpop. This is the Brow Boss Gel in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm just gonna comb this product through my eyebrows just to give it more, you know, shape. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with a pencil to fill in those sparse areas. If I'm gonna be honest with you, sometimes I just leave them like that because I don't have more time. But today we're gonna do it and I'm gonna be using this NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I've been really liking this pencil. It's like actually very similar to the Brow Ace from ABH. And I just draw some hair-like strokes, especially in this part of the brow where I feel like I need a bit more definition. Okay, so brows are done and now I'm gonna do my skin. I'm gonna start with this primer. This is a Professional by Benefit. I'm gonna apply just a little bit, especially on this area here and my T-zone. I'm not gonna be wearing foundation today because I personally don't feel like I need it. But even though I'm not wearing foundation, I still like using these primers that are pore minimizing and mattifying because I do have an oilier T-zone and it leaves my skin super soft, so I love this. I do want to give you an option for foundation though, because I know some people have like scars or something that they want to cover. So for this type of makeup, I would use this foundation. This is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. I use this in the shade Sand Beige if you're similar to my skin tone. I like this because it has great coverage, but it's also super lightweight. As you can see here, it's very liquidy. It also has a natural matte finish, so I personally think that it would work for every skin type. And I think they have more shades available now, so this is a great option if you want to wear foundation. Okay, so now concealer. This is no surprise for you. It's the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Light Beige. I'm just gonna apply the bare minimum, just what I need. So it's gonna be like 3 dots. And since I'm not wearing foundation, I'm gonna do a little bit here in the center of my face. And I'm gonna blend that out with this e.l.f. sponge. I don't know the name, but it's really good. And I'm gonna add a little bit here because I have some discoloration there and around my nose. Okay, now I'm gonna set everything into place and I'm gonna be using this Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. This is a great setting powder, but I do have to say, like, even though it is inexpensive, it's like $9 if I'm not mistaken, you don't really get that much product. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Powder, and as you can see, it comes with a lot more product. And actually, when you do the whole price per ounce thing, the Too Faced powder ends up being less expensive than the Colourpop one, so I just wanted to let you know because, you know, sometimes we buy products and they look less expensive, but las apariencias engañan. So I'm just gonna blend this out again and I'm gonna take the powder with the same sponge and I'm gonna set everything. I'm not gonna do baking because I don't know, I think baking and my skin don't really go together. Okay, now for bronzer, I'm gonna be using this one from Milani. This is the Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Sunlight. Last week I posted a video of a full face of Milani, and that's where I tried this product for the first time, and I really like it, so we're gonna use it today. And now I'm gonna take a crease brush and I'm gonna use the same bronzer to give my eyes a little something. Okay, so I personally don't wear blush on a daily basis, but you can totally do it if you want to. So for highlighter, I'm gonna be using this one. This is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. For this specific look, I don't want like a beaming, super crazy highlighter. This one is very subtle. I really like it for a day-to-day makeup. So I'm gonna take the e.l.f. highlighting brush and I'm gonna apply it very lightly. And then I like to take my sponge and just blend it out. Okay, we're almost done. Now I'm gonna add something to my lashes, and I'm gonna be using this Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. This is a tubing mascara, which means it's super easy to take off, and that is exactly what I need. My classes are from 6 to 10 p.m, so I get home super late, and the last thing I want to do is spending 10 minutes trying to get my mascara off, so this is a great one for those days. Okay, now for my lips, I'm gonna be using the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF. And I'm gonna put a gloss on top. This is a Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. And to finish up, I'm just gonna be using some Morphe setting spray. Okay guys, so this is a completed look. As you can see, it's very fresh and natural and super easy and quick. That was everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. I actually had a lot of fun filming this. Like, it was different, but I might do this again. Like, it's a good way to practice English for all of us. I don't know, maybe it's a really bad idea, but let me know what you guys think. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Nada, les mando un beso gigante and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!